Hello everybody interested in learning Python. I would like to introduce you to this website. So a while back I made this and did a short little YouTube video on it, and I've kind of revamped it as time has progressed, and right now I'm kind of like working on the Python section, which you can find right here in the navigation. So if we click that, it'll give you a little introduction, kind of tell you my assumptions of what I expect you to already know or be capable of doing. Tells you a little bit about what the goals are of this section. And then there will be some content links or major chapters going over the basics of learning Python. Currently I only have one page, which is data structures arrays. Click on that. It'll open up the introduction to arrays page. So this kind of format is basically what you can expect from all of the other chapters in the Python section. And it will try and introduce you to the basic elements that allow you to control an array. So, you know, an array has a tag or a way of referencing it, which would also be maybe a variable name. Kind of some coding examples where it's like the right way to do it, the wrong way to do it. What's an element? What's an index? What's the relationship between an element and an index? What the heck is a range? Then I go over kind of like what a valid index is. So both positive and negative indexes. Then I also cover, you know, the output that you would get for those particular indexes with this particular array setup. I also introduce arrays of arrays, which is always a fun topic, and I see people frequently getting confused about that, but it's really not that complicated if you understand how an array works. So I kind of compare to a previous little section that we did, where it was like, hey, here's an array of characters, and then I turn that array of characters into a string in this particular section, and then demonstrate what it's like to print that out. Here's kind of where I ran out of time for the day, but I'm starting to include some of the more advanced things you can do with arrays, like some of the member functions and kind of ways of thinking about the indices and how to call them and work with them. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this website, feel free to use the contact page here. I check my email pretty frequently, and if you guys have something that isn't necessarily related to the site but is more Python programming related, feel free to shoot me an email with like some code or something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching.